Good. It's taken an extra long time to read the card and probably steal.
Okay guys, I'm going to try to explain something to you here. It's pretty simple. You see, it's a three-part system. So we've got poop, and then we've got stink, right? So the stink comes from the poop and goes into the nose. So poop creates stink, goes into nose, which causes odor, or the perception of odor. So basically, get rid of the nose, get rid of this connection, the stink is still there, but there's no odor. You got poop, stink, no nose, no odor. It's pretty simple. A lot of people don't seem to understand this. I mean, I got rid of mine this morning.